you filming?
Yeah.
So, you want to stay alive, huh? You want to eat food, drink drinks, get some of your 5 a day? But shit, you're behind on your rent. You've just been fired from your shitty 9 to 5 office job, and no one wants to hire a sweaty virgin who spends all day jerking off to hentai and crying in the fetal position under a cold shower. Well, you know what? There might be some hope for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how to live on a budget, just £5 a day. Being the suave, sexy Chad that I am, I can't say that I know too much about living a poor man's life, but I know a man who does. So, I got on the phone to my friend Dean, who was more than happy to share some pro tips with me. So I've been, I'm going on this challenge where I try to spend only £5 in this day, and I know that you're like a lot better than me at budgeting, so I was wondering like what would you recommend on like how to you know, keep myself nourished for the day and how to, you know, evenly distribute my money.
Have you been to Aldi before?
No.
Right, you can get enough food to feed you for a week from there, mate.
Okay, well I can...
Some skiing equipment.
Skiing equipment?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to need that for the challenge, but I'll bear that in mind. Let's pitch this. I'm in Aldi. What should I buy?
Potatoes, the Irish ate them, I think.
Okay.
Rice, China.
Mm-hmm.
Fruit and veg, I've been told it's good for you.
Okay. Yeah, because I was thinking of getting like a whole load of like eggs and shit, because you know, you can do anything with eggs, right?
Yeah.
You do like fried eggs, omelets, scrambled eggs, fucking poached eggs, boiled eggs. You can do
toast.
Toast. French toast.
Yes.
That's a good idea, isn't it?
Alright. How much is £4 a restaurant? I've got an idea for what you can do for your fiver, mate.
Uh-huh.
Red Stripe, 4 cans, £5.
Oh, damn, that sounds good. Do you think that'll, you know, keep me nourished for the day?
It'll make you forget that you're malnourished.
Ooh, well, when you put it like that, you might be onto something. If I, yeah, I think if I can't find any good nutritious food, Red Stripe might be the
You should
one.
be able to. If you look hard enough, you'll find food.
Okay, but
That's
failing that, Red Stripe is like a fallback.
Yes.
Okay, well, amazing. Thank you so much for your help. After my chat with Dean, I was convinced I could easily get through the day with only £5 in my pocket. So I went down to the local store to grab my groceries. So we're just on the way round to the shop to get some groceries for the day. Got to try and only spend £5. I think it should go quite well. I know that we need to get, you know, a whole load of nutritious stuff. So I'm thinking I'm gonna, you know, get some eggs, get some bread, maybe some fruit and vegetables. I mean, we'll see how much I can get on the budget. But I think we've got this challenge in the bag.
And so are you trying to get breakfast, lunch and dinner right now, or are you going to just get one of those meals?
I mean, it would be ideal to get all 3 meals in, but, you know, it depends on how far we can stretch the budget. I think getting eggs and bread should be good. I can make myself some nice French toast. I can make some fried eggs, make an omelette. You know, eggs are so versatile, and then I'll just like stick some vegetables in there, and it should be a nice meal plan for the day. I'm excited. It's about 10 in the morning.
10 a.m.
Yeah, earlier than I'd normally wake up, but you know, I was just really excited to get on with this challenge, so I set my alarm a little earlier so that we could crack on with the filming.
And are you hungry? Yeah?
I don't really tend to get hungry in the mornings, but I think after a few hours I might start to feel the bite in the stomach, so
Yeah.
I think we should be all good. Got some eggs already. Only a pound, looking good. So, I don't know. I always find these quite tempting, but yeah, I've got to keep my wits about me. I don't want to get
Don't want to wish.
sidetracked by my usual places. Dude, they've got and that's when I saw it. My vice, my kryptonite, the sweet essence of life that could bring me to my knees in the blink of an eye. Red straw, red straw, red straw, red straw.
So you got the red stripe.
Yeah, the shopping plan didn't quite work out. You know, I thought I'd be able to resist my vices and, you know, get a nice balanced meal for the day. You know, shit happens. You know, I think we'll be fine. You know? I've heard there's a whole lot of like wild berries and mushrooms and stuff in the parks around here. So I think if we I don't know, like go foraging or something, we should be fine.
So you're actually planning on surviving off berries?
Yeah.
For a whole day?
I know, Bear Grylls does it. Okay, so I'm now cracking open my first tinny of the day. It's currently 12 what is it, 12 PM or 12 AM? I don't know.
PM?
Yeah. That's good. This should keep me energized for the next few hours before I crack open the next one. And you know, I think today's challenge is gonna go over like a breeze. So I'm now gonna get on with what I'd normally do for my day, make some music, you know, drink my tinnies, and I'll keep you updated when I open up the next one. Okay, so it's about 4 PM. I've finished 2 of my tinnies. I am starting to get a little bit hungry, haven't eaten anything today, so we're going to drive down to the park and I'm going to see if I can forage for some berries, mushrooms. I'm not really sure what else we can find, maybe some, I don't know, there might be some like butterflies, caterpillars, whatever you can really cook up will make a nice stir fry out of those. I think that should be good enough to get me through the day. After squandering my daily allowance and having not eaten all day, I had no choice but to forage for food. So, with the tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye, I set off for my local park in order to search for food. Hey, so we've just got to the park. I've cracked open my third tinny. Keep me nice and sustained while I'm searching for some food in here. It's a really nice day. It's about 5 PM now, so perfect time for looking for food in the park, so I've heard. A few worms under there, but I don't think I can eat those. I'm trying to go vegetarian, so sort of an ethical dilemma there, isn't it? You know, on the one hand, I'm really hungry, but on the other hand, I don't want to eat worms because it's not in the vegetarian code. No mushrooms in there. A couple of wood lice, but yeah. I'm not having too much luck so far. We've been out here for about half an hour, but I'm still feeling quite positive. I'm sure once we get further into the woods, I think there's definitely going to be some more mushrooms, more berries. So we've just found a blackberry bush. It looks a bit shit, I won't lie, but I'm gonna try and see if we can find any berries in here. Gonna hopefully not get too prickled by the spines. Wait, are there snakes around this area? You sure? Alright. Oh fuck, there's stinging that as well. Ew, that one had a bug on it. I don't want to eat that one. Those aren't right. if we get really hungry, we might have to take one for the team, bite the bullet, eat some unripe blackberries. But I think we're gonna keep looking in the woods, see if we can find anything better to eat. I don't know if it's gonna come to it, but if we have to like kill a deer or something and like eat it, this is what we're gonna have to use. Yeah, this might not be the best for killing deer, but better than nothing, I guess. Alright, you see holes like this. This is usually where some of the best mushrooms grow. I think if it was sort of more like late October, early November, we definitely have a load of cool mushrooms growing in there. But it's just a bit too summery right now. Mushrooms don't really like the dryness of it. We've been out here for fucking hours and we've still not found anything. I'm gonna crack open my last red stripe. Hopefully that'll see me through the rest of the journey. But I think if we don't find any food anytime soon, you know, I fear for the worst. I was up in the woods and down on my mind, my hope dwindling with every step, when finally I had a stroke of luck. Found some shelter. It's getting kind of cold. I'm super hungry, so I think I'm just gonna go in here and have a lie down. Fuck, I'm so exhausted. Dude, what the fuck? Dude! Dude, there's fucking food in here! I told you we'd be able to find some food. Shit! What the fuck? We found pot noodles. Wild fucking pot noodles. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. Dude, and there you are, thinking that I couldn't fucking forage for berries, mushrooms, all that shit. And I just found fucking noodles in the middle of the forest. So, looks like the joke's on fucking you. Fucking piece of shit, cameraman. Gonna have to drive back to the house to cook these, because obviously there's no source of you know, clean water out in the park. But shit, man, I'm just so happy we finally found food. Like, you honestly, you don't know what it's like to live without food until you've really hit rock bottom, and then you find it and it's like, holy shit, I've never appreciated having food so much. Like, you know, like, I feel like whenever someone's like not eating for ages, they finally eat something, they're like, oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever tasted. But these literally have no flavour whatsoever. What they don't tell you is how much energy it takes to actually like forage around in the woods and like look for food. Like, I feel like you're better off like rummaging around trash cans and shit, because it like takes less effort. And like by the time you've actually found any food in the forest, like you're gonna be so hungry, it's not gonna last. What the fuck? Why do people even try and live for £5 a day? Oh, you guys, this is garbage. This journey had its highs and lows, and I feel like I learned a lot about myself along the way. Would I do this again? No. Seeing as I require at least £5 a day to keep up my drinking habits, and considering my poor foraging skills, this method of budgeting is out of the question for me. Regardless, I hope you took something away from this video. I sure know that I did. Thanks for watching.